In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop a track or region in Cakewalk next. Now to do this, it's actually super simple. If you want to loop a track, you want to right click on it, and then you can click on a loop over here. And as you can see, this loop icon is going to appear. And if you go to the very top right, you can click, and of course you can just drag out your audio, and it's going to loop it as many times as you need or want, okay? That's going to be the first way to actually loop your track. But if you want to go and loop a region, so just a region of a track, that's also super simple. I'm actually gonna go and just loop like a bit of this one over here. I'm gonna go to the beginning and I'm gonna loop like this section. So what you have to do is simply enable looping up top, and when you enable this, you want to go and make this a bit smaller. So just hold the control key and then scroll down with your mouse, and as you can see, here's this blue line. So when you basically set this blue line, you can see it's going to set the loop. So if I do it like this, for example, it's going to just loop this part over here, and with my loop enabled, if I go and click on the play button right now, it's only going to loop that specific part. So watch this. There we go. As you can see, it's just looping that specific region, okay? Of course, you can loop whichever region you want. You can just click and kind of drag and draw this wherever you want, or you can click on any of the borders and move them, okay? Whenever you draw a new one, the previous one is automatically going to get deleted. That's how to loop. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.